Step 1. Once you determine a placement for the VoBall, puncture a little hole with a screwdriver. Step 2. Screw the drywall anchor into your ceiling until it's flush to the ceiling. Step 3. Put the screw into the housing. Step 4. Screw the housing attachment into your drywall anchor to the ceiling. Step 5. Insert the cord to the upper hole of the housing, wrap it around, then come back and insert it back into the bottom hole. Step 6. Attaching the VoBall to the cord. Insert the cord in the hole of the ball, slide the cord down, make sure it goes in. Once you get to adjusting sleeve, make sure you plug the adjusting sleeve completely inside, just like that. Step 7. Changing out the ball. You want to grab the cord with one hand and pull the ball completely off the cord. Same process. Make sure that the cord goes inside the hole, slide it down, and make sure that the adjusting sleeve is completely pushed in the ball. Step 8. To better secure the ball, use the reinforcement plug. Make sure it is pushed all the way inside, completely inside the ball. Just like that. Step 9. Adjusting the height. Pull the cord down one side, with the other hand moving the adjusting sleeve to the desired height. When it's at the desired height, pull the cord down to tighten the cord.